Hey, wait, look at that. Fire Emblem Warriors Tree Hopes works on YUZU now. Shocking. Hey guys, welcome back to Javon 16. I am your host Javon, and today we're back with a brand new benchmark. As you can tell, once again we're playing Fire Emblem Warriors Tree Hopes for the Nintendo Switch. YUZU emulator time, guys. Today we're testing out on the Intel Core i7-4790 with the AMD RX-570 4GB VRAM graphics card. We're running with 16GB to DDR3 RAM in dual channel memory, and I am shocked. Oh, turn off level up window. Fair enough. So we finally managed to get it running on the YUZU emulator. I am using a YUZU early access build 2849, the latest one as far as I can tell, just to see if the game is playable. But yeah, here we are. Before this wouldn't even run on here, and here it is now actually starting up. So I am quite surprised that it runs now. Once again, I hope you guys enjoyed the video though. Don't forget, please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and stick around for more epic content. Now, I've told you guys multiple times, YUZU don't play around. When you play in a game on here nowadays, you gotta got over 8 gigs of RAM. You just have to. Now I'm curious to see how well it'll play, but let me show you the config file. I totally forgot to show you the config file. That's just to show how long it's been since I've tested a YUZU game, dude. All the normal suspects. Didn't need to tweak anything, it just ran. But look at that 8 gigs of RAM.
Hey,
Thing does never plays.
Sorry, what's going on?
What's going on? Did your head spring a leak?
Hey, well that's nice. At least from what I can see, graphically in the cutscene, at least it looks nice.
Back off, you sack of gut.
Yeah, well, you hurt. Gonna be.
Leave it.
Of course I
don't necessarily hit the frame rate either.
Yeah, that.
Demon or no demon.
But this Gerald, but one enemy looks like
Looks quite nice as well.
Ready as
I want to get into some gameplay. I want to see what's gonna happen. My CPU usage is. I hate to see my CPU hitting 50%. It scares me every time because I feel like it's a bottleneck. But it's interesting. The CPU is going up quite high, but I want to see how the gameplay is. There's a lot of shaders it's gonna build, and this is the first time testing the game out. But oh my gosh, wow! There's no flickering or anything. This is fully playable. At least right here. This looks nice. I'm letting it build the shaders in before I run, if you were wondering. This isn't bad, but as you can see, I can't hit 60. Whoa. Once again, this is being run on a capture card, so even if it crashes, hey, I still have it. Let's go. This is nice though. 9 gigs of RAM. Look at that insanity, man. My GPU is chilling. My CPU over here is stressing out.
see what you're made of.
But once again, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget, please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Just enjoy the gameplay. It's using 2.1 gigabytes of VRAM. It's handling the RX-570 is handling it well. The CPU is also handling it to an extent. Obviously, like I said, we gotta load in shaders, so that's why the frame rate will drop, but it'll go away eventually. We can maintain over 30, which is nice. So for the most part, this is very playable on this setup. 16 gigs of RAM, guys. I do recommend having it if you're trying to test YUZU, because YUZU will use that RAM. It definitely will. I'll see you guys next time. Enjoy the gameplay.
Yes, that's that.
I eat steak tougher than this. Hey, you! Clear out that group over there.
take out the stronghold over this way, yeah? You get the one over there.
Can't wait to wrap this up so we can all drown ourselves in ale.
It's not over.
Capture complete.
My way!
The captain ran off ahead of us. Is she gonna be okay?
Master your fear and advance!
Keep your eyes open. We still don't know if the Ashen Demon is here.
The main force is here. We're saved. Now push! Push the enemy back!
About time a foe with some teeth showed up. But they still don't stand a chance against Burling's mercenaries. Now, isn't this a sight? You must be the infamous Ashen Demon. I can't wait to tear you apart.
This'll be the end of the Ashen Demon. No one can beat the captain.